Hi, I'm Dr. Cecily, and today in my kitchen, we're going to demonstrate two ways of making the lemon rice, which is a very popular dish in South India. These are the ingredients that we will be using: cooked rice, whole red chilies, which have been dried, mustard seeds, curry leaves, the oil. You can use fresh lemon juice and, of course, salt. And today for my shortcut method, I'll be using the Archie lemon rice powder, which has a mix of everything I have described in the longer version. Preheat your pan on medium heat and then pour the oil and put your washed curry leaves, and then you split your red chilies to your taste and spicy level, and then you add your mustard seeds till they splutter. You're making a nice tadka. And then you pour your lemon juice. And you stir it till it cooks a little. And then you add a tad bit of turmeric to make it yellow. Okay? And then when this, cook it for a minute or two till you think it has thickened. I'm making a tadka, which is actually oil with the red chili, curry leaves, and the mustard seeds. In Indian cooking, we traditionally start with tadka. And there are different tadkas depending upon what you're cooking. But the basic is oil, red chilies, mustard seeds, and curry leaves. My tadka has thickened, and it's time to add the rice. And all you do is lower the flame to low, and you stir the tadka with the rice. And of course, it's time to add the salt to your taste. We usually garnish it with cilantro, which we call it coriander. Lovely yellow, red, and green. Colorful. Now I've shown you the traditional method. I'm going to show you the shortcut method. Based upon how much rice you would use the lemon rice powder, and I've taken this much for this amount of rice. And I would use the curry leaves, mix this together, and microwave this for 3 minutes. I'm microwaving this for 3 minutes covered. Okay, here it is. It's hot. See, it's steaming. After it comes out of the microwave, I stir it again because now the rice is warm and it's easy to stir it. And the final step is to garnish. with cilantro that we call coriander leaves. There we go. This is optional. Some people like to add some nuts, peanuts, or cashew nuts. Enjoy.